Welcome to Enchanted Journeys. Ever wondered where continents converge and history speaks through the winds of ancient ruins? Today, we take you to Istanbul, the heartbeat of Turkey. Imagine a city that straddles two continents, where the East and the West intertwine in a harmonious dance of cultures, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the present. This is Istanbul, a city that breathes history and exudes irresistible charm. It is here that murmurs tales of Byzantine emperors and Ottoman sultans, each wave carrying a story of glory, conquest, and resilience. The waterway is a silent storyteller, a chronicler of centuries that have shaped the city's destiny, making Istanbul a melting pot of civilizations. And then there's the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia, a monument that is a testament to Istanbul's artistic and architectural prowess. This magnificent structure has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, the change of religions, and the evolution of a city. Once a cathedral, then a mosque, and now a museum, the Hagia Sophia is a symbol of Istanbul's rich and diverse history. As you wander around this architectural marvel, you can't help but marvel at the intricate mosaics, the soaring dome, and the sense of tranquility that pervades its ancient walls. It's a silent song of stone and mortar, a melody that has been composed over 1,000 years. Each corner, each stone is a pixel in the grand picture of Istanbul's past. But Istanbul is not just about the past. It's a city that pulses with life, a metropolis where tradition and modernity coexist. It's a place where you can sip Turkish tea in a centuries-old cafe, then shop for designer clothes in a chic boutique. It's a city of contrasts, of surprises, discovery. It's a city that invites you to get lost in its labyrinthine streets, to immerse yourself in its culture, to taste its cuisine, and to feel its heartbeat. It's a city that tells 1,000 stories, and yet, it's a city that never reveals all its secrets. It's a city that always leaves that's just the beginning, as we journey further into the heart of Turkey. Imagine waking up to a sky painted with hot air balloons over landscapes that seem to belong to another planet. Welcome to Cappadocia. In the heart of Turkey, nestled in the Anatolian plains, Cappadocia is an enchanting symphony of nature's artistry and human ingenuity. Here, the earth has been sculpted by wind and water into whimsical shapes, forming a panorama of fairy chimneys, ancient caves, and undulating valleys that seem to have leaped out of a dream. But the magic of Cappadocia doesn't stop at the surface. Venture beneath the ground and you'll find entire cities etched in stone. These subterranean worlds, like the labyrinthine Derinkuyu, were once sanctuaries for early Christians fleeing persecution. With intricate networks of tunnels, ventilation shafts, and communal rooms, they bear witness to an era where survival meant carving out a life beneath the earth. The history of Cappadocia is as captivating as its landscapes. Home to Hittites, Persians, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans, each civilization has left its indelible mark. Ancient rock-cut churches adorned with time-worn frescoes, Byzantine-era monasteries perched on cliff edges, and troglodyte dwellings that still serve as homes. Each is a testament to the region's rich past. Yet Cappadocia is not just about the past. It's a living, breathing testament to the resilience of its people. From the traditional pottery makers of Avanos, shaping clay with age-old techniques, to the local farmers tending to their vineyards and apricot orchards, the spirit of Cappadocia thrives in its people. And then, as dawn breaks, a spectacle unfolds. Hundreds of hot air balloons rise, painting the sky with splashes of color. As they float over the moon-like landscapes, it's a sight that captures the wonder of Cappadocia, a place where dreams take flight, against a backdrop that defies reality. From the ground to the sky, Cappadocia is a testament to the wonders of nature and human resilience. From the whispers of the wind to the stones beneath your feet, every corner of Turkey tells a story. Let's journey through time as we stroll along the ancient streets of Ephesus. This Greco-Roman city, once bustling with philosophers and merchants, now stands in silent testament to the passage of centuries. Walk among the ruins of the Library of Celsus, where scrolls of wisdom were once stored, and feel the echo of a bygone era. Now picture yourself in Konya, the spiritual home of the whirling dervishes, a mystical branch of Islam that seeks union with the divine through dance. The swirling white robes of the dervishes are more than just a spectacle. They're a symbol of the eternal dance between the earthly and the divine, the human and the cosmic. But Turkey's living history book doesn't end there. It's a tale penned by the many cultures that have shaped this land. From the Hittites to the Byzantines, From the Seljuk Turks to the Ottomans, each has left an indelible imprint on this country's cultural fabric. Imagine the sounds of the bustling Ottoman bazaars, the scent of spices wafting through the air, the gleam of silk and gold under the Turkish sun, or the Byzantine mosaics, their colors still vibrant after more than 1,000 years, telling tales of emperors and saints in a language more universal than words. But it's not just about the grand narratives of empires and conquerors. It's also about the everyday people who've lived, loved, and dreamed here. The farmers who've tilled these soils, the artisans who've crafted beauty from raw materials, the poets who've spun words into timeless verse. Their stories are etched into the very stones of this land, woven into the tapestry of Turkey's living history. And today, that story continues to be written. With every sunrise over the Bosphorus, with every call to prayer echoing from the minarets, with every cup of Turkish tea shared in friendship. Every step you take is a journey through centuries, a dance with history. From the sizzle of kebabs to the sweetness of baklava, Turkish cuisine is a feast for the senses. As we delve into the gastronomic wonders of this country, we'll find that each dish has a story to tell, a tale of tradition and innovation, of regional influences and universal appeal. Imagine a culinary journey starting in the north by the Black Sea, where the dishes are as diverse as the region itself. The rugged coastline and fertile valleys lend themselves to a cuisine rich in fish and corn. Picture a plate of hamsi, small anchovies fried to a crisp, a signature dish that sings of the sea. Now let's travel south to the Mediterranean region. Here the sun-kissed soil yields bountiful harvests of fruits and vegetables. The cuisine is a vibrant medley of fresh produce and olive oil, embodying the very essence of Mediterranean living. Imagine biting into a piece of lahmacun, a thin, crispy pizza topped with minced meat, vegetables and herbs, a burst of flavors that dances on your tongue. Moving west, we find ourselves by the Aegean Sea, where the cuisine is a beautiful fusion of Greek and Turkish influences. Picture a table laden with mezes, small plates of delectable treats, from stuffed vine leaves to the creamy richness of tzatziki. Each bite is a testament to the region's culinary diversity. But Turkish cuisine is not just about regional cuisines, it's also about the unity of flavors. Consider the ubiquitous kebab, a dish that transcends regional boundaries. Whether it's the succulent Adana kebab from the south or the hearty Iskender kebab from the northwest, the sizzle of the meat on the grill is a sound that unites the country. And let's not forget the finale, the sweet symphony of Turkish desserts. From the flaky layers of baklava, oozing with honey and nuts, to the creamy delight of kunefe, each dessert is a celebration of sweetness. A meal in Turkey is not just nourishment, it's an experience, a celebration. It's a journey through the country's diverse landscapes, a testament to its rich cultural heritage, and a tribute to the warmth of its people. So the next time you sit down for a Turkish meal, remember you're not just eating, you're partaking in a centuries-old tradition. The heart of Turkey beats in the chest of its people, in their warmth, their traditions, and their resilience. Think of a country as a body. Its cities are the organs, its rivers the veins, and its people the lifeblood. But it's not just the physical presence of the people that counts. It's their spirit, their resilience, and their traditions. Turkey's people are the quintessence of this country. They are the enduring spirit that has navigated the tides of time, the heart that pulses with a love for their homeland. Turkish people are an amalgamation of diverse cultures, a testament to the myriad empires that have graced this land. They are the descendants of Byzantine emperors and Ottoman sultans, of Greek philosophers and Persian poets. Each generation has added a new thread to the rich tapestry of Turkish culture, creating a vibrant mosaic that is as varied as the landscapes it spans. But it's not just about the past. The Turkish people are forward-looking, embracing the modern world without losing sight of their roots. They have built bustling cities and towering skyscrapers, yet they still gather in traditional tea houses and bazaars. They have harnessed technology, yet they still practice age-old crafts. They have welcomed progress, yet they still dance to the rhythm of their ancestors. And let's not forget about the warmth of Turkish people. They are known for their hospitality, for welcoming strangers with open arms and a steaming cup of K. They share their stories, their laughter, their dreams, and their hopes, creating connections that transcend nationalities and cultures. Traditions are the threads that weave the fabric of a society. In Turkey, these traditions are alive and well, passed down from generation to generation. From the whirling dervishes of Konya to the ancient art of carpet weaving, from the melodious strains of the saz to the intricate patterns of Iznik ceramics, these traditions are not merely relics of the past, but vibrant expressions of a living culture. To know Turkey is to know its people, to share a cup of tea, a story, a smile. They are the heart of Turkey, the lifeblood that pulses through the country's veins, the spirit that soars above its mountains and meanders through its valleys. They are Turkey. From bustling bazaars to the fusion of the ancient with the modern in city life, Turkey is a modern melting pot. In the heart of Istanbul, the pulse of tradition beats in tandem with the rhythm of progress. The cityscape is a tableau of centuries-old minarets reaching for the skies alongside gleaming skyscrapers. This is a land where antiquity is not just preserved but celebrated, living side by side with the new. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, is a vibrant testament to Turkey's modern achievements. With thousands of shops spread across dozens of streets, it's a labyrinth of color, sound, and flavor. It's a place where you can haggle over handmade carpets one moment, and marvel at the latest in fashion and technology the next. And then, there's the city life. From Ankara's bustling streets to Izmir's modern waterfront, each city in Turkey is a unique blend of the old and the new. The sun-soaked terraces of cafes are filled with the hum of conversation, set against a backdrop of Byzantine walls and Roman aqueducts. In the heart of the country, Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle, offers a modern-day spa experience like no other. With its thermal waters cascading over terraces of white mineral-rich deposits, it's a natural wonder turned wellness retreat. The ancient Romans were the first to recognize the healing properties of these waters, but today, it's a modern marvel, attracting millions of visitors each year. Turkey is not just a country, it's a living, breathing testament to the power of resilience, adaptability, and creativity. It's a place where the past is not just remembered but relived, where history is not confined to textbooks but woven into the fabric of daily life. The modern melting pot that is Turkey serves as a reminder that progress does not necessitate the erasure of the past. Rather, it's about integrating the old with the new, preserving traditions while embracing change. In the heart of Turkey, the ancient and the modern dance together in harmony. From the depths of history to the peaks of adventure, welcome to Mount Ararat. This majestic mountain, the tallest in Turkey, is steeped in history and shrouded in mystery. Rising above the clouds, it stands as a symbol of the nation's resilience and spirit, a beacon that has guided generations. Mount Ararat is more than just a mountain, it's a cultural and historical icon. It's etched in the annals of Turkish folklore and mythology, the centerpiece of tales whispered by the elders, stories woven into the fabric of the nation's identity. It's said to be the resting place of Noah's Ark, a tale that has captured imaginations for centuries, fueling countless expeditions and debates. But Mount Ararat is not just a monument of the past, it's a playground for the adventurous at heart. Its snow-capped peaks beckon climbers from around the globe, a siren call to those who dare to test their mettle against its rugged slopes. The journey to the summit is a testament to the human spirit, a challenge that pushes one's limits, a pilgrimage that rewards with breathtaking vistas, and a sense of accomplishment that few experiences can match. The mountain's lower slopes offer a different kind of adventure. Here, lush meadows and wildflower fields paint a vivid tapestry of colors, inviting leisurely hikes and picnics amidst nature's splendor. Wildlife enthusiasts may catch a glimpse of the diverse fauna that call Mount Ararat home, from the elusive lynx to the majestic golden eagle. Yet the true allure of Mount Ararat lies in its ability to connect us to something greater. To stand on its slopes is to feel a part of the continuum of history, to share a bond with the countless generations who have gazed upon its majesty with awe and wonder. It's a reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of time, an emblem of the enduring spirit of exploration and discovery. From its peaks to its people, Turkey is a land of diverse beauty and enduring spirit. As we descend from Mount Ararat, we take with us not just memories of an epic adventure, but a deeper appreciation of the rich tapestry that is Turkey. As we journey through Turkey, we find a land that is both a crossroads and a destination, a history book and a canvas for the future. From the heart of Istanbul, where the Bosphorus whispers tales of yore, to the lunar landscapes of Cappadocia, a testament to the diverse empires that have shaped this nation. We've marveled at the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia and tasted the rich tapestry of Turkish cuisine, each flavor narrating its own tale. We've experienced the warmth and resilience of the Turkish people, their traditions, and their forward-looking vision. We've also reveled in Turkey's modern achievements, its bustling bazaars, and the fusion of the ancient with the modern in city life. From the thermal spas of Pamukkale to the peaks of Mount Ararat, we've unfolded the story of a nation as diverse as the landscapes it hosts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Turkey, where every step is a story, every moment a memory. As our journey through Turkey comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed the ride. Each city, each dish, each face has a story to tell, and we're grateful to have had the chance to share these narratives with you. If you've loved this journey as much as we have, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating corner of the world. Until then, hoşça kal, and remember, in Turkey, every step you take is a new story waiting to be told.